Hey all, welcome back to the kitchen, man. Right on, we got something special today. Okay, well, what I'm going to show you guys how to do today here is something which is good, easy, and super tasty. Okay, now you're going to want to get your bacon, sizzle. Okay, you don't want to get it crisp. Just get it nice and kind of browned, right? So we're almost to the point here where we're going to move on and drain this grease. Not quite yet, almost. Okay, a few things you're going to want to grab here right off the get-go here. It's obviously your bacon, about 4 slices of bacon here. Grab yourself some corn, some carrots. Celery would be good too if you had, but you know what? We're going with some mushrooms. Go with about 2-3 small potatoes, 1 onion, some garlic. Get your spices of choice. I'm going with some bay leaves because bay leaves are awesome. A little bit of basil, bit of cumin. A little bit of basil, bit of black pepper, tiny bit of salt, just a little bit here, because you know I'm not crazy on salt. Give yourself a little bit of flour. We're not gonna need much, about about a tablespoon, but we'll get to that in a minute or so. And grab yourself some brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, man, you know what? White sugar will do the trick on this as well. Right on. You're going to want to get yourself some beef stew here. What I'm going with here is a 10-ounce sirloin that I had kicking around here. So that's what we're going with here. And then just cut your meat up into chunks. I'd say probably like kind of about like that size here. You know, not super big, not super small, right? And then just toss that back into the pan. Okay. And then grab your bacon that's been drained in there, which I'm going with probably about 4 strips of bacon. Okay, and then get things going back up to medium here. Okay, and then yeah, just kind of mix that all up in there. And get your other stuff ready to go here. So we're going to need to cut these up. So here, get yourself that onion. Chop that onion up into a nice kind of thin little bits here. Keep giving it a little stir like this here. And this has been, about 3 minutes. So we're going to let it go for not much longer. Maybe another minute and a bit. What you're kind of going after here is just kind of browning that meat a little bit here. And we are almost there. I just got to cut up all those veggies here. You know, I use mushrooms in pretty much everything. I love mushrooms here. But if you don't like mushrooms, don't use mushrooms, man. Use something else. But yeah, mushrooms are awesome. So get those all cut up here. Probably 3 fairly decent sized mushrooms. And then just get everything into the slow cooker there. That's where we're going. Oh yeah, look at that. And then throw in about a cup of corn. Oh yeah. Okay, man, I'm going to go throw in probably about 3 cloves of garlic here. Tell you what you do if you don't have a garlic press here. You know what? You don't need one, man. Just get yourself a knife and squish them up like that. Oh yeah. So there you go. A little tip for you. If you don't have a garlic press, that's how it's done, guys. So get that. 3-4 cloves of garlic. Toss that in there. Oh yeah. Then just throw in your spices there. So I'm going to go throw in some bay leaves. Oh yeah, bay leaves are delish. Probably about 2 or 3 there. Okay. A little bit of cumin. Thyme would work great too, but I am going with a little bit of cumin. Probably about, oh geez, teaspoonish. Okay. Italian season would be good too, but hey, basil's always good. Ooh, yeah, basil. Just give that a little sprinkle. Probably about the same. Teaspoonish. Okay. You know what? We're going to skip the salt, I think. But we are going to throw in a little bit of pepper. Everybody loves pepper. Not too much. Not everybody loves pepper, but most people do, right? Throw a little bit of that in. Oh, yeah. Okay. We're going to throw in a little bit of flour too. Why not? You probably want to go with about a tablespoon of flour on this. Maybe a little bit more even. Oh, well, not too much. Give it a good tablespoon. Give it a tablespoon, a little bit. Okay, now you know what would be great here? Would be brown sugar. But hey, man, brown, white, whatever, it all works, right? So about a teaspoon-ish. Not too much, you know. Just throw a little bit on there. Oh, a little bit of white sugar, man. And of course, we can't have bacon and beef without some beer. Right on. So we got ourselves a West Coast lager. All right. Let's toss that baby on there. Oh, yeah. Bacon, beer, and beef. Isn't it gonna be delicious? Okay. Okay, turn it on low. Cover it up. 7 hours, maybe 8, and ba-boom, we're good to eat.
The House Intelligence Committee's Russia investigation went on for a year, and
Well, there you have it, people. Bacon, beer, and beef. 10-ounce sirloin. Ooh, that's good, good. Right on, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video here. Every Sunday, do cooking, and every Thursday, Friday, probably Friday, bacon and beer, man. Check it out. Have a good one, eh? If you have moderate to severe plaque psoriasis, little things